Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about cars you might want to think twice about before buying. Some cars look great on paper, but come with serious hidden issues. From high repair costs to poor reliability, these cars can cost you a lot more than just the purchase price. Stick around, and I'll fill you in on all the details you need to know to avoid getting burned. First up, we have the Fiat 500. It's small, stylish, and perfect for city streets, but don't let the cuteness fool you. Reliability issues plague this model, especially the 2012 to 2015 years. Owners report transmission failures, and the dual-clutch transmission can be a real nightmare. Imagine driving down the road, and suddenly your car starts jerking, and you've got no power. And when this transmission goes, it's not cheap to repair. Trust me, you'd rather spend your hard-earned money on something else. Next up is the Chrysler 200. At first glance, this mid-size sedan seems like a solid choice, but don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance. The Chrysler 200 has a dark side: the transmission. The 6-speed automatic transmission in many 2011 to 2014 models is known for slipping, hesitation, and outright failure. Imagine merging onto the highway, you hit the gas, and nothing. That's the kind of excitement you can expect. And when this transmission goes, you're looking at a costly fix. Next on the list is the Volkswagen Passat, specifically the 2012 to 2015 models. It's spacious, comfortable, and has that German engineering pedigree. But there's one major issue: excessive oil consumption. The 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine in these models guzzles oil. If you're not careful, this can lead to engine sludge and potentially catastrophic engine failure. Not exactly the kind of adventure you want in your reliable German sedan. Now let's talk about the Nissan Juke. This compact SUV has a very distinctive look, but it's the issues under the hood that stand out. Specifically, the CVT transmission, a common source of frustration for many Juke owners. CVTs are known for their fuel efficiency, but they can also be prone to failure. Imagine driving up a steep hill, and suddenly your car starts making a whining noise. The engine revs, but you're not going anywhere. That's the sound of a CVT on its last legs. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Land Rover Range Rover, specifically the 2007 to 2012 models. The Range Rover is a luxury SUV that oozes sophistication and off-road prowess, but it has a reputation for electrical gremlins. From finicky electronics to issues with the air suspension system, many owners have reported problems long before the car hits 100,000 miles. Imagine driving down the road, enjoying the luxurious ride, when suddenly your air suspension decides to take a vacation. There you have it, 5 cars you should avoid buying. Whether it's due to reliability issues, costly repairs, or poor long-term performance, these cars are best avoided. Remember to always do your research, check consumer reports, and talk to current owners before making a purchase. Let me know in the comments if you've had experience with any of these cars, or if you have other cars to avoid. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more great car tips. Thanks for watching.